The Bethel Library's ebooks, peer-reviewed articles, streaming video content, print collections, and other resources come from all sorts of different publishers and vendors, and to make it easy for our users to search this content without always having to know which specific database they need, we have LibSearch. LibSearch is the Bethel Library's one-stop shop search tool, and it is one of the best starting places to see what the library has on your research topic. A simple keyword search in the search bar on the library's homepage is often a good starting place, but if you have a more complex search string or know from the outset that you want to limit your results in some way, you can use the advanced search as well. It's worth noting that by default our search includes both our own library's materials and the physical items of nearby partner libraries. But if you'd like to see only items from our own collection or widen your initial search to include libraries from all over the state, you can select the scope appropriate to your needs. Bethel plus all MinPal's libraries includes the physical items of all of our statewide partner libraries, not just the ones nearby. And the Beyond Partner Libraries scope searches libraries across the entire U.S. The wider the scope you choose, the more results you're likely to see, but you also increase the likelihood that you'll need to wait a few business days to have items delivered. After you run your initial search, you will have a variety of options on the left side of the page for narrowing down your results. Some of the more useful limiters are near the top and allow you to include only peer-reviewed article results, only items in our physical collections, or items of a specific type. You can include or exclude items using the boxes next to the limiter. Once you've identified items from your search you'd like to access, look for their location to determine how to access them. Digital items will have a location of Available Online, and clicking on the record will provide a link to the item in whatever database it comes from. Physical items Bethel owns will have the name of a collection and a call number you'll need to retrieve it from the shelf. For items that are in storage or are available through one of our partner libraries, opening the record, signing in, and scrolling down will allow you to see the request options for that item. Which request options you see will be dictated by the type of resource you're trying to get. Digital requests like articles or book chapter scans come to your Bethel email and typically take about a business day. And physical items usually take just a couple of business days, since by default your search will only include items from libraries geographically nearby to Bethel. Whatever the format, you'll get an email when items you request are ready to pick up. In addition to requesting items, you can also use the tools just below the title of the item to do things like get a citation to copy and paste, get a stable link that will bring you back to the record, or export a citation to RefWorks. One final note. If after doing an initial search you are ever unable to find something you're looking for in LibSearch, you can use the Search Beyond Partner Libraries option at the top of the results page to widen your search to a nationwide database. Most often you'll find the item you're looking for there, and you can request anything you find this way by opening the record and scrolling down to the request options. If you widen your search and don't see the item you are trying to find, double-check that you have the spelling or wording correct. If you have any questions about using LibSearch, feel free to contact a librarian for help.